Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to remove ads from Android phones. Removing ads from an Android phone can enhance user experience by eliminating interruptions and improving device performance. Ad-free environments can contribute to smoother navigation, faster app loading times, and reduced data consumption. Additionally, some users prefer an ad-free experience to minimize distractions and maintain a cleaner interface. First of all, open the settings of your device in Settings, and you will find all the useful options. Tap on Connections and open More Connection Settings. Then click on Private DNS. Select Private DNS Provider hostname. Then enter the hostname of the DNS provider as dns.adguard.com. Now go back and open Private DNS again. Hostname has been entered now. That is how you can remove ads from your Android phone. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.